After 12 hours and 10 minutes, we're finally done with the base. So I'll pull this out and show you guys what it looks like. So I printed it in black, being that it's on the bottom. So then we can sort of, mess around with it, get it dirty. Nobody can really see. So we printed our support structure for our screw holes. We have our jack that's our power jack outlet, and our aux jack outlet. We're gonna have our volume knob coming through there, and over here we have our power switch coming out and our USB port, and then we have that hole left in there for the LEDs on the battery bank. So I'll clean this thing up like I did with the top and show you guys putting it together. So here we are, guys. We got our base plate all finished up. Came out pretty good. So we got our microphone jack going in there. That will be our aux. We'll have our pass-through for our USB and our power switch. And then our power plug will go right there. So yeah, it's all looking really good. So now I also got both passive radiators in, got the drivers set up, got everything plugged into the board, and I also wired up the LEDs inside of there. So I already got those hot glued in. So now I got the speaker wires in the right place, and I'm just gonna start wiring everything up. So I'll speed through this and enjoy. power outlet right there. Really, really clean. The only issue we had when we printed, which I noticed once I started putting it together, is if you can see it, there's a bit of warping. You can sort of see all those little circles. I'm not really sure what it's from. It might just be the way it printed, but yeah, so that's one issue there. And if we start taking a look at the back, we got our volume rocker right in there. And then inside here, we have our power switch, our USB, and then we have our lights down there. So what I'm gonna do, flip this guy on. As you can see our lights light up, and then link to connect to Bluetooth, and we're actually connected now. It's looking really, really cool. And now I'll play something and we can see how it sounds. Now you can see we're all connected on Bluetooth. I'm just gonna play a quick, free to play song, and we'll see how it sounds.